Hello, Your Highness Queen Elizabeth.
Hello. My nanny always told me the sky is the limits. So tell me, young man, is the sky your limits?
No, don't tell me the sky is the limits when there is footprints on the moon.
Interesting, very interesting, young man.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So tell me, how long are we staying here? When are we going back to Earth? I need oxygen to breathe.
I am sorry, we will stay one night here. We just landed, my queen. It took us 1 year, 1 month and 2 weeks to reach to the moon.
Oh, that's incredible. Well, you see, young man, I have bad memory. So tell me, why are we on the moon?
To make history, my queen, and to prove your nanny wrong. That the sky is not the limits when there are footprints on the moon.
Yes, I agree. To make history sounds good. I should have got her here to show her the moon.
Don't worry, my queen, she will see you on the moon. I have hidden a camera. I'll make sure that I spread it worldwide. Everything goes viral in the internet.
The internet? What is the internet, young man? You see, I am an old woman.
Yes. My queen, the internet is a global system, computer networks that has protocols to communicate with each other to serve billions users worldwide.
Very funny. Listen, young man, since I reached the moon, let's visit the internet together one day.
Yes, Your Highness, yes, anything you say.
Thank you, young man. You are invited to have tea with me in my kingdom.